Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 260 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about gently grounding yourself, feeling supported and steady no matter what is happening around you. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Notice your feet or your body resting where you are. Feel the ground beneath you, steady and strong. Now, say to yourself, I am supported. I am steady. And I can return to calm. Let your breath guide you back to balance. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this sense of grounding with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.